Are Kias reliable? Kia has built a strong reputation for affordable, well-equipped, and reliable vehicles. While the brand once struggled with quality, it has made major improvements in reliability and dependability over the past decade. However, some models have had issues with engines, transmissions, and electronics. This guide covers Kia's reliability, common problems, maintenance costs, and how it compares to other brands. 1. Kia's reliability ratings. Kia has consistently ranked above average in reliability in recent years. JD Power Dependability Study ranks Kia as one of the most reliable non-luxury brands. RepairPal gives Kia a 4.0 out of 5 reliability score, placing it third out of 32 car brands. Long-term reliability has improved, though older models, pre-2016, had more issues. Kia vehicles are now considered more reliable than brands like Ford, Nissan, and Chevrolet, but still slightly behind Toyota and Honda in long-term dependability. Second common Kia problems. While Kia has improved significantly, some models have experienced reliability issues, including engine failures. Older models 2011 to 2016, some Kia Optima, Sorento, and Sportage models with Theta, 2 engines suffered oil leaks and premature engine failure. Transmission issues. Some models, especially with dual-clutch transmissions, DCTs, have had jerky shifting or failure. Electrical problems. Infotainment system glitches, touchscreen malfunctions, and sensor failures. Brake and suspension wear. Some models experience faster than average brake and suspension wear. Newer Kia models, 2018 and newer, have seen fewer issues, as the company has addressed many past reliability concerns. 3. Kia's warranty and long-term reliability. One of Kia's biggest advantages is its industry-leading warranty. 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty covers engine and transmission. 5-year 60,000-mile basic warranty covers most other components. This longer warranty helps reduce repair costs, making Kia a safer long-term investment than many other brands. However, regular maintenance is still necessary to ensure long-term reliability. Fourth, maintenance and repair costs. Kia vehicles are affordable to maintain with lower than average repair costs. Annual maintenance cost around $474 per year, which is cheaper than Honda and Toyota. Repair frequency. Kias require fewer unexpected repairs compared to Nissan, Ford, or Chevrolet. Affordable parts and service. Kia's popularity means easy access to parts and lower repair costs. Overall, Kia is one of the most affordable brands to maintain. Fifth, most and least reliable Kia models. Most reliable Kia models. Kia Telluride, highly rated SUV with excellent build quality. Kia Sorento, reliable midsize SUV with good safety ratings. Kia K5, a dependable midsize sedan with modern tech. Kia Soul, a fuel-efficient subcompact SUV with a strong track record. Least reliable Kia models. Kia Optima, 2011 to 2016. Known for engine failures in older models. Kia Forte, older models. Some reliability concerns with transmissions. Kia Sportage, 2011 to 2016. Engine and suspension issues in certain years. 6. How Kia compares to other brands. More reliable than Ford, Nissan, and Chevrolet, with fewer reported issues. Cheaper to maintain than Honda or Toyota, though slightly lower long-term reliability. Better warranty than most brands, helping offset repair concerns. 7. Is a Kia a good long-term investment? Kia vehicles can last over 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. While older models had some reliability concerns, newer Kias have proven to be dependable, affordable, and low maintenance. The long warranty, improved build quality, and lower repair costs make Kia a smart choice for buyers looking for a reliable, budget-friendly vehicle.